Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name's Matt, I've got Max behind the camera. Today, I've got an SLC Mercedes 2016 that's come in because the factory display and radio system had a fault with it. It cost £4,000 from Mercedes to get new. So let's show you our OEM solution to update this car. So what we've done, we've taken out the factory 5-inch little tiny screen out of the dashboard, and what we've done is made 3D printed brackets and a fascia, and then modified it to allow the 9-inch Evo 950 DAB radio to go in, so it looks like the OEM style floating tablets that Mercedes first brought out, which everyone has then replicated with these style radios. So we've done this to be as OEM as possible, floating style screen, factory DAB aerial, retain the factory USB style plates in the center console, one for charging, one for smartphone. We now have Apple CarPlay on a much larger screen, so that when you go to put navigation on there, you can actually see it really easily. We managed to retain the steering wheel controls to work, so they work for phone calls and for volume, and skip tracks all on there, like it was the factory screen still in there. This is still lit up and powered up to keep the SOS system without any faults. So when you go and turn the lights on, all the buttons will stay illuminated, so it still looks like it's a factory system that's in there, and then the screen dims as well. Other great stuff with this radio is you, as well as Apple CarPlay, you get digital radio in there as well. As this car came factory with it, we've used that aerial, so it's a real OEM plus style display. So you've got DAB radio, you've got FM radio in there as well for in the depths of the countryside where there's no DAB, but mainly you'll be using wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with this. Get all your phone apps through there. You can get navigation, whether that's Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps, you've got radio player, Tidal, all through this screen. It's a much better unit. Fortunately, no CD, but who needs that these days when you're streaming everything on your phone? With our adapter panels, trimmed them all in Milano suede, so they all still look a bit classy, so you don't see any of it. Trimmed even the front of the radio, so you don't see any of the metalwork on that from the passenger side. Slightly off-center from the factory system, just to keep it in line with this waterfall style display, but you can still get to your air vents on the driver's side and air vents on the passenger side without losing any functionality there. So that's a wrap on this SLC. It's the same system we can do on the SLK as well, no matter which one you've got. Connor's just currently put a splash screen so we have the Mercedes logo on there. Other than that, she's a factory looking upgrade and it fits the bill perfectly. So thanks for watching this video on this SLC. See you in the next video. Let's go.